Alright, I'm arriving in Shenzhen city. See if I can find my hotel. Okay, it's been a nice train ride. High-speed train. Very easy. Okay, I just exited the train station. And I think my hotel is around here somewhere, but there's many different train stations in Shenzhen. I exited the main railway station, so let's see if I can find it. I'm not staying at the Shangri-La. Alright, I think it's 1 mile that way maybe, or 2. Alright, it is 4:20 p.m. A good time to arrive here in Shenzhen city. Let's keep on walking. A lot of people are offering hotels along the way. Nice weather, not too hot. Riding the bikes on the sidewalk is normal in China. Here's the Vienna Hotel. Nope, I'm not staying there. Some more buns. Steamed buns. Steamed bread. Some eggs. Pomegranates. This looks like a cool street. Wonder what's down that way. Alright, everyone going to the train station. I had a 2-hour train ride. It was easy on that train. Nice looking mall right here. Got a lot of construction underway. Nice blue sky. I guess in northern China right now it's getting cold, but here it's still about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect weather. To get some ear cleaning done. Professional ear cleaning. How much? Free checkup to examine the condition of the ears. Okay, okay. I go hotel, come back. Shit. Nice tree-lined street here. Think I got 1 kilometer to go, maybe. I wonder if getting ear cleaning in Shenzhen is a good idea. Alright, so the name of this road is Renmin South Road. Vamos. Yeah, this is my first time ever in this city, Shenzhen. I've been to many other cities in China, but never Shenzhen, so this is a new adventure here. Yeah, if you look on the map, Shenzhen is near the Hong Kong border. Yeah, Shenzhen's known as like a tech hub. If you want to get your tech gadgets or do some wholesale import-export, this might be the place to go. I guess the name of this street is Dongmen Old Street. Like Old Dongmen Street. Dongmen Old Street. Smell some good food down this road. Let me just check it out a second on the way. Conveyor belt hot pot or something. Oh, a lot of street life here in Shenzhen. I like it. Delicious. Yeah, I think my hotel's down this way. Not sure. A lot of construction going on here. Here's a Mixu, most famous chain in Asia, more popular than McDonald's. Alright, somewhere down this way. Alright, I'm officially lost already. It's 5 p.m. Not sure if it's to the right, the left, up or down. Somewhere around here. Looking for my hotel. It's gotta be near me right now. Just don't know where to go. And my internet stops working right around here also. Bad signal area, so that's not helping. Somewhere around here. Maybe it's up there. I still can't find it, but I read all the reviews and nobody explained where it is. Somebody posted a photo of a blue sign with a yellow up arrow. Where could it be? Alright, I took a screenshot of the photo with a blue sign with Chinese writing and a yellow arrow up and showed it to somebody. They say it's this way somewhere. Alright, look what I have found. Blue sign with the yellow arrow up. This might be it. That was tough. Hotel entrance. I think it's on the 9th floor or something, not sure. Where's the elevator? Alright, let's try and go to the 9th floor. I'm not even sure if it's on the 9th floor, but we'll see. Anyhow. Beautiful elevator here. Oh shit, it's sketchy. Look. Looks like I'm about to fall right through. 9th floor. This is an elevator that dreams are made of. Come on, let's get to the 9th. Definitely not staying here 2 nights. 1 night will be enough for me. I'm ready to check out of this. Alright. High standard of quality facilities. This looks promising. I think I found my hotel, hopefully. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao. Yeah, I think this must be it. Ni hao. Ni hao. Booking. I found the hotel. It's a miracle. Alright, so everything worked out fine and I got my key card. This room was around $20 a night. Right in a pop-in location. Let's see, it's got pretty good reviews. It's got a nice bed, looks clean. It's got the restroom right here. In China, they like to have the restrooms like behind like little glass partition in the room. It's interesting. So that's good. Shower looks good. And most of all, we got a window. Window is important. Get some ventilation, view, a little sunlight. Gonna wake up to that in the morning. Beautiful. I'm here for the ear cleaning.
你给大家检查一遍。
你好。
你好。那个是刚刚弄完是吗？哦哟，超级难，那个小朋友耳朵又弯，然后又小，全部糊在那个耳膜下面，你知道吧？你还没跟他说的吧？这个没有，他刚检查而已。哦。回去了啊，好，下班了，辛苦了啊，辛苦了，太难。你让等我中间。
Gonna get this ear cleaning done. Dang, look at that picture. That guy's got some bug in his ear. That's scary. Oh no, it's a nightmare. What are the options here? Healthy ear picking, ear wash, healthy ear washing, removal of foreign bodies, health cream, take off the scab, bacteria, fungal, supportive ear stone. Okay. Here we go.